Right here, this dark orange streaking indicates significant rust creep beneath the emblem.
Balance. Water's pouring off, she's coming up. Hold, slow down just a little to the left.
Okay, lowering now. Steady, steady.
Perfect, lock it in. Keep it steady, down slope. A little more to the left, stop. Lower it now, perfect. Secure it, all clear. Guide to the left, just a little more. Slow it down, approach the doors.
The rust penetration here is worse than expected.
Yeah, we'll need to replace this entire panel near the emblem.
This is worse than we thought. Look at the bow section.
All right, let's circle this entire area for sandblasting. Cracked.
Yes, and the electronics are heavily corroded. This is worse than expected.
Okay, got the last bolt out. Careful with that wiring harness, it looks corroded.
Ready to go.
Okay, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The hatch is clear. Get some light down there. Looks rough.
We need to assess the water damage around the turbines.
Okay, the wiring harness is free.
Okay, so I've got the pipe loose. Stand clear. Keep coming up slow.
All right, she's clearing the bulkhead.
The corrosion around the cylinder heads is worse than we thought.
And the rear housing looks completely shot.
Almost there, just a little more torque. Okay, I've got the pry bar ready. Once that's out, we hit this coupling next.
Look at the injector timing on cylinder 4.
I see it. Making the adjustment now. Everything else is green.
Affirmative. Initiate lift. Tension's good, moving up.
This dent here needs filling before we sand.
Got it. I'll circle this one for the welding team.
But we need to reinforce that section near the intake before the structural phase. All right, engaging suction.
Got it. Looks loose. Pulling it back now.
Slow and steady. Perfect. Okay, let's get a good grip on the suction handles. Verified, we're clear on this side. Slow and steady, align it with the frame. Perfect fit, send it in.
Look at the texture right here. Still slightly uneven. Yeah, let's highlight that section.
The metal work is solid. Excellent job on the seams. We can start the filler application at the bow section immediately.
Looks good, boss.
Okay, let's hit that again before the final scan.
We need to apply more filler right here on the crease.
Okay, I'm marking this section now. Make sure it is smooth.
The filler stage looks complete. The surface is smooth enough for the high build primer.
Agreed. Let's start masking the canopy before we spray.
The surface preparation looks excellent. We are ready for primer.
Agreed. The sanding is spot on. The surface is incredibly smooth now.
Yes, the sanding team did excellent work on the wedge hull.
Hold the sheet steady right there. Got it. Make sure the edge is clean before taping.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Stop. Looks aligned. Pass me the wrench. Torque it down. Hard. Checking the other side. Secure. Great job, everyone.
The reflection quality is superb across the bow.
Agreed. This side is flawless.
The gloss is absolutely perfect.
The paintwork underneath is perfect.
It really is a mirror finish.
Let's get the rest of this off the window. Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment.
Perfect. It's fully secured.
Perfecto. Apriétalo.
Wiring harness is secure.
Fuel lines are pressurized and holding steady.
Gently, it has to be perfectly flush with the carbon fiber. Almost there. Hand me the torque wrench.
Sensei is good. Yeah, the glow is exactly right.
The hull alignment looks perfect. Check the starboard fin clearance. Keep it steady. Lowering now. Clear the way.
Copy. Slowing starboard.
Water contact. Straps are loose.
All systems online. Confirming GPS lock.
Navigation active. Radar sweep looks good.